In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the memo line to print on checks in QuickBooks Online. This feature is essential for businesses that want to maintain clear and detailed records of their financial transactions. By printing the memo line, you ensure all necessary information is visible at a glance, making bookkeeping and record keeping much easier. To get started, open your internet browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once there, click on the Sign In button. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to proceed. When prompted, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This step is important because it takes you to the online version of QuickBooks, which is specifically designed for cloud-based financial management. Next, enter your email and password, then click Continue to log in. Be sure your login information is correct to avoid delays. If you've forgotten your credentials, QuickBooks makes it easy to recover them right on the same page. Once you're logged into the dashboard, locate the Create button, usually near the top left corner of your screen. Click it, and a list of options will appear. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a credit memo, which is an important part of managing your financial records accurately. Click on Credit Memo, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can input the necessary details. Start by adding your customer's information. Begin typing their name, and if they're already in your system, it should autocomplete. Otherwise, you can manually enter their details. Next, add the product or service associated with this transaction. Make sure it aligns correctly with your records to keep everything consistent. Then, enter the amount for the memo, double-checking for accuracy to ensure your records reflect the correct monetary value. Finally, once you've entered all the information, locate the Save and Send button clicking. This will save the credit memo in your QuickBooks system, and if linked, can also send a notification to the concerned parties. And that's it. By following these steps, you've effectively ensured that your memo line can now be printed on checks in QuickBooks Online. This streamlines your financial processes and helps keep all your transactions clearly documented. Thanks for watching.